Hi, I'm Matt Dagley, and this is The Daily. Today we're in Bridgewater. Gonna be hanging out with my sister and my parents. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, and I should mention, filming this on a GoPro that I borrowed from work. So, let's go. Christy's got the drinks. Lots of Arby's. Cheesy Cam. So what was it originally called?
I don't know. Birds of Prey.
And?
I have no idea.
So they changed the name of the movie. It was just Birds of Prey, and I don't know what the hell that is. Harley Quinn. But now it's just called Harley Quinn Birds of Prey. So we're gonna go see that. Excited, Christy?
Yeah.
We liked Suicide Squad, so I think this movie might be good. What do you think?
Should be alright.
We'll give you a review after we watch it. How about that? Christy looks real excited to talk about it. Alright, let's go. So I'm at the New Valley Village with Christy. She's a thrift store expert. She's always finding all kinds of things. So we're gonna go to the New Valley Village in Bridgewater. She'll probably find a whole cartload of stuff, and I'll be lucky if I find like one thing. So let's go check it out. So found Rock Band for Wii. Of course, Christy found it because she's the expert. So yeah, $1.99 Rock Band. I think that's a pretty good deal. I got the guitars at home. I don't want the whole kit, but you can play just guitars. So yeah, we'll pick that up. We got video games. I got the Rock Band. Christy got the Mario Brothers Wii, and so it was a Nintendo Wii Adventure at Valley Village here in Bridgewater. Excited. Yeah, there was a Donkey Kong game for a Wii, but the case was empty. There was no game in it, so it happens. All right. See ya. Turkey Burger's your favorite place, is it?
Yeah.
What do you usually get?
Fish and chips.
Ever get the sundae?
I had Sundays there, yeah.
Or sorry, banana split. That's the monster thing.
I had Sundays there.
What was the banana split? The monster 20 scoop thing.
I haven't had that.
We might have to go sometime and get it.
You want that? Let's go there.
I don't think Mom will want to go.
Off to supper.
I think I found a new host of the show. I know, she's got lots of fans on the internet. Twitter loves you.
Yeah, I'm sure.
My dad told me I have to film this. What'd you order?
Lobster roll salad.
What did you order? Lobster roll looks pretty good.
A lot of lobster.
And I got the burger. What was it called? Mustang.
Barbecue sauce.
And Caesar salad. What did you get, Dad?
Chicken stir fry with broccoli.
Alright, so I'm home. That's the end of another Daily Dagley. Thanks for watching. One update, the Rock Band. Tried it with my wife Erica, and unfortunately you have to have USB adapters for the Nintendo Wii in order to play. It just won't load past the menu screen, so maybe I can find that online or yard sale this summer, we'll see. So check out the website, daily.dagleymedia.com. Brand new website for 2020. All the series, all the web series are on there, so you can check out every episode. And let me know, GoPro Hero 5, how is the sound, how is the video, how does it compare to the GH5S that I normally use? One thing I will say is that with the action cam, the GoPro, it was a lot easier to film this episode. I could just pop it in my pocket, and anytime we needed to shoot something, I could grab it. But let me know, audio quality, video quality, leave it in the comments. Till the next time, we'll see ya.